Dear Sherry, how do cannabis topicals work? My friend swears by a pain-relieving salve she's using, but I kind of think it's a placebo effect. How can rubbing cannabis products on your skin possibly provide any relief? I just don't get it. Okay, well, that's a great question. Cannabis topicals, it may sound like magic, but there's actually some solid science behind it. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of my videos, please, please, please hit that like button too, because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithms. Thank you. Okay, back to the question, how do cannabis topicals work? As I said, it may seem like magic, it may seem kind of bizarre that actually rubbing a cannabis product on your skin can provide any kind of relief, but your friend is right. Cannabis topicals can be extremely effective for things like arthritis, for all kind of aches and pains, pain relief, inflammation, skin conditions, cuts, scrapes, burns, psoriasis, even acne and things. A lot of different things cannabis topicals have been credited with doing. Now, we don't have a whole lot of scientific research on the different types of effects that cannabis topicals do, but we do have science in the mechanism for how they work. And what cannabis topicals do is they provide localized relief, not systemic relief. So it's not like smoking or vaping cannabis or eating an edible where that gets into your whole system. Cannabis topicals do not work that way. They don't cross the blood barrier. They're not going to make you high. They're not going to cause you to fail a drug test, but nonetheless, they can be effective. One caveat on that not making you high or fail a drug test, the one exception to that is transdermal patches. Those are specially made in a lab and they will cross the barrier. But your average cannabis just salve that you're going to rub on your skin is not going to make you high or fail a drug test, just in the same way that rubbing alcohol on your skin is not going to make you drunk. So that's not a worry, but they can work. So how do they work? They work because there are cannabinoid receptors throughout our skin. And the skin is the largest organ in the body. And throughout the skin, there are cannabinoid receptors. So when you rub a cannabis-infused topical onto your skin, it binds to those cannabinoid receptors in the skin, and that's how the magic happens to provide localized relief right at that spot. So that is kind of the mechanism of how cannabis topicals work. Again, they don't go throughout your whole system, but because of those cannabinoid receptors in the skin, the cannabis in the topicals binds to those, and that's what provides the relief that your friend is speaking of, and they can be really effective. I created a DIY cannabis topicals course several years ago. There'll be a link to that in the comments below along with a coupon code. But I get emails from people all the time that are just thrilled that they're now making their own topicals that used to cost them a fortune in the dispensary, but it is so much more affordable to make your own, not to mention it's easy and it's fun. So cannabis topicals can be really wonderful for a host of conditions, even things like menstrual cramps and spasms and muscle aches and pains, all kind of things. Cannabis topicals can be really great for localized relief. So give them a try yourself. It's not just a placebo effect. People are having amazing results using cannabis topicals. I hope this helps. See you all next time.